Oil has been a major concern for our markets. Remember, we are net importers of oil, so a surge in oil prices does not bode well for us, and for several of the industries, because it's an essential raw material, so their input cost definitely goes up. But we saw some bit of a technical pullback overnight. Oil prices have slipped by 1%. It's back below $87 a barrel, and OMC stocks, they have done fairly well, and they have been, OMC stocks, they have really suffered from this fuel price cut that happened earlier last week, as well as the surge in crude prices. Some of them fell as much as 11-12% in just matter of days. Is that a concern still? I mean, OMC stocks, or do you see them making a turnaround?
So if I look at the OMC stocks, first talking about crude oil prices, we've definitely seen a pullback in the crude oil prices, be it the Brent crude or the US crude, NYMEX crude. So there has been a pullback there. And looking at our stocks, we've seen some sort of correction there. See, we have to understand is that they've rallied significantly. If you look at the likes of ONGC, if you look at HPCL, BPCL, if you look at IUC, they've all rallied significantly. So a correction, I would say, has been there, and it's more or less on expected lines. So I wouldn't read much into it unless we see some significant breakout from or breakdown from these levels.
All right, and I mean, after a 7 or 8% surge in a matter of week, 1% pullback is nothing, and that too is a technical pullback. WTI contracts, some of them expired last night, and perhaps that is why we are seeing some bit of a pullback. But that is one particular space I think one needs to be cautious about. Crude oil, remember, that could spell trouble for us in the months to come. $90 a barrel, as a lot of these experts have opined, will be an uncomfortable zone. We are and we are about $2-3 shy of it.